between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen so far since Thursday morning. Some locations flooding include Mansfield, Wellsboro, Morris, Elkland, Blossburg, Gaines, Covington, Arnott, Millerton, Keeneyville, Leonard Harrison State Park, Latonia, Ogdensburg, Tioga, Knoxville, Roseville, Osceola, Tioga Junction, and Mansfield University. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Be especially cautious at night, when it's harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. In hilly terrain there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely.
I literally just turned on the channel. Sorry for the pixelation, bad signal. Merry Christmas, by the way.